Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be covering features of Java and data types and syntax of Java program, which is simple program. We will discuss how the program execution will be happen. Okay, let's discuss about one by one. Okay, features of Java: simple and object oriented and platform independent and secure, and Java is robust and multi-threaded. Okay, simple is nothing but Java is a very simple language. And then object oriented, Java supports object oriented programming language. And Java, which is an platform independent, because we write once and run anywhere. This method will be supported to the platform independent, because with the help of JVM we can run our program in any operating system like Windows, Linux, etc. And secure, Java is very secure because of it uses OOPS concept. And robust. It manages the memory. It supports the garbage collection, because garbage collection, what it will do means, the garbage collector, it will delete the unused objects, whichever we created, no, that for a long time, we if we didn't use, then it will delete that object. And multi-threaded, it supports multi-thread. Let us discuss about next topic. And data types. Data types, what is meant by data types? Data types is nothing but type of data which we assign to our variables. There are mainly two types of data types: primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Primitive data types are the basic building block of data in Java. They are predefined by the language and represented in simple values. The primitive data type will be predefined before only. There are 8 primitive data types in Java: byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, and boolean. Byte, it has 8 bits signed integer, and short has 16 bit signed integer, and integer has 32 bit, and long has 64 bit, float has 32 bit, and double has 64 bit, and character 16 bit. Boolean, it represented in true or false. In this Java, we character will be 2 bytes. Okay, let's discuss about next topic. Non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types are also known as reference types. There are more complex data types and included the like objects, array, tree, graph, etc. Here is a simple example how the execution will be happen. Java program execution will be happen. For firstly, we will define class name as a hello world and public static void main string argument, and then we will print the output hello world. Okay, mainly the Java program start execution from main method only. Okay, public is nothing but publicly accessible. Static means constant. Void, what it will do? Void, it returns none value. Main, from main only the program execution will be start. And string argument, why string argument we have passed? Because it has we don't know how much large the argument which argument we have, so that's why we will pass string argument which is in string. For for output purpose we will use for printing purpose we will use system dot out dot println hello world. If we use print means it will display one line only, and if we use println means it will go next line. In this video I will be discuss this much topic only. I will also share this PPT in my description. You can go through it or you can download it. Thank you.